back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another makeup video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Perfect Colors 12 Blushing Blossoms palette by Nicka, New York. You guys, this palette is gorgeous. When I saw it, I definitely had to get it, and the colors are amazing, if you guys can see. And this is from Beauty Mart, this palette, and then I'm also going to be using their eyeliner, which is the Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner that looks like this. This palette did come with a little wand, which I was testing out right now, but you guys know I always use my eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here to match my shirt. This is my final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.